breathing. You've heard it before. I'm going to show you the best secret I have to conquer anxiety. It's very simple too. So, the first thing we do is this. Recognizing when we get anxious, our breathing is up here. Think about it logically. When you're frightened, what do? All that sort of panicky stuff. If you can learn to breathe from your gut, I'm going to show you how in this short video how you can control anxious thoughts. So here we go. Bold claim, but here we go. So you take a deep breath in. Now watch my shoulders. I'm breathing in from my stomach. My shoulders barely move. I'm holding for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to exhale slowly for 5 as well. Watch how my shoulders barely move as I exhale. It's such a subtle thing. I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to breathe in for 5 from my stomach. Holding for 5. And exhaling so gently, you won't even notice. Now the good thing about this technique, it will calm you down. It really will, because when we get anxious, we imagine the worst case scenarios, we put some bad breathing on it, and then suddenly we go into that state of anxiety. Concentrate on the 5 breathing. So breathing in for 5, holding for 5, and exhaling slowly for 5. And what I suggest you do is to set your mobile phone first thing in the morning, let's say another 4 times during the day, randomly. So you can test this breathing. So when you hear that bell go or that ping of the alarm, you take a deep breath in from your gut, holding it in for 5, counting for 5, so you're slowing the breathing down and you're getting calmer anyway. Then exhaling so calmly for 5 as well. Now during that, as I'm speaking to you now, I'm actually doing the process, and it's so subtle you don't notice I'm doing it. Basically, I've become very calm. Now imagine doing that randomly throughout the day. I wonder how much better your life will become.